All right, we're going to make the 2x4 Lego piece, and it's going to end up looking like this, and you can give it all different colors that you want. But it's 2 knobs on one way and 4 knobs the other way. It's the standard Lego height. So to do this, we're going to open up a new Inventor page, and we're going to start a sketch, and we'll throw it onto this top plane, and we're going to start with a rectangle. And based on the dimensions that you found about Legos, you'll see that the total length is going to be 10/8, which we can put in as a fraction, and it'll calculate it as 1 1/4. And the direction the other way is going to be half of that, which would be 5/8, which it calculates as 0.625. Then we're going to take this and we're going to extrude it up a height of 3/8 so that you have a rectangle that looks like that. Okay, now we're going to add a knob on top, so we're going to take a sketch, place it on top of this, and we're going to take a circle and throw it onto that sketch. The dimension of the diameter of that circle is going to be 3/16, and the distance from the center point of the circle to the sides is going to be 5/16, because the standard Lego unit, not 5/16, 5/32, 5/32. And from here to here, also 5/32. So your knob looks something like that. Then we're going to go ahead and extrude this, and we're going to bring it up 1/16 of an inch. So it looks like that. And then we're going to go to rectangular pattern and select that feature, and we're going to pattern it one direction, 4 occurrences with a spacing of 5/16. And the other direction, 2 occurrences with a spacing of 5/16. So it looks like that. Then we're going to look at the bottom of our Lego, and we're going to go to shell, and we're going to select the bottom of this Lego, and we want to shell it so it's left with a thickness of 1/16 of an inch, and we'll say OK, and that cut the knobs into it, the little divots underneath the knobs that you can see. Alright, and now we need to build the bottom. So I'm going to put a sketch plane on this face, and we're going to put 2 circles right about here, and they'll be concentric with one another. It's not in the right location yet, but it's roughly in the ballpark. Now I'm going to dimension that center point so that it's 5/16 off of both sides. So 5/16 of an inch and 5/16 of an inch this way. And I want the diameter of this inside circle to be 3/16, because that is the diameter of a knob, so that a knob from another Lego can fit right into there. Now I don't know exactly what the dimensions for this should be, but I know that a knob should be able to fit perfectly right there. So what I'm going to do is go up to Project Geometry, and I'm going to project, that's the knob that's on top of this piece. I projected it, now I can still see it. So now I'm going to go to Tangent on the top. I'm going to select tangent, and I'm going to tell this outside circle to be tangent with this circle, so now they perfectly come together. So now I know that outside circle is exactly the size I want it to be. And the inside is 3/16 like I told it to be right here. So now I can go to extrude, and I can select that in-between place between those 2 circles, and I'm going to, instead of a distance, I'm going to say come up to this place right here. And if I hit OK, I've now extruded that circle up to that level. And now I'm just going to go to rectangular pattern. And I'm going to select that feature that I just made. And I'm going to select a direction of this edge. Switch the direction. Spacing of 5/16 and 3 occurrences. And we'll say OK. And we now have our first Lego piece, which is a 2x4, and it looks just like a Lego.